If you want to enjoy pristine, clean contact lenses and comfort that lasts all day, AOSept Plus Cleaning and Disinfecting Solution with HydraGlyde Moisture Matrix can meet your needs. This is the only lens case you should use to clean and store your contact lenses when using AOSept Plus with HydraGlyde. Never use a flat lens case or any other case. It's important to follow the appropriate cleaning process. First, wash your hands and thoroughly dry them with a lint-free towel. After removing your contact lenses, place them in the specially designed lens holder. Close the cover without pinching the contact lenses. Never squirt AOSept Plus with HydraGlyde directly into your eyes. Rinse the lenses with AOSept Plus with HydraGlyde for 5 seconds. Make sure the cap is pushed back out of the way. Fill the lens case with AOSept Plus with HydraGlyde up to the indicator line. Submerge the lenses in the solution and then securely close the case by twisting the cap. If you get any solution on your hands, rinse it off with water. You should notice the bubbling action beginning immediately. Allow contact lenses to soak for at least 6 hours. When you're ready to wear your contact lenses again, open the lens case and discard the used solution. Rinse the lens case with AOSept Plus with HydraGlyde or fresh saline solution. Never rinse with water. Leave the lens holder upside down outside of the case so they can both air dry. Store the bottle in a safe place so friends and family members don't mistake it for an ordinary multi-purpose solution.